Bayraktar Akinci is a high-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned combat aerial vehicle being manufactured by the Turkish technology company Baykar. The first 3 units entered service with the Turkish Armed Forces on August 29, 2021. The aircraft has a 5.5 plus tons of maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, while 1350 plus of this is composed by payload. Akinci is equipped with 2 turboprop engines, which has 2 different types of thrust capabilities as 450 or 750 kg. Akinci is equipped with electronic support and countermeasure systems, dual satellite communication systems, air-to-air radar, collision avoidance radar, and National Advanced Synthetic Aperture Radar. Recall: Kyrgyzstan last year purchased Turkish Bayraktar TB2 drones for the country's border troops. Those vehicles are reportedly used entirely to ensure the country's defense security, including the protection of state borders. Turkish Bayraktar Akinci B set a record in flight at maximum altitude in Turkish aviation, reaching an altitude of 40,170 feet, 12.2 kilometers. The record was set during a test held on March 11, 2022. Akinci B underwent a successful flight test with upgraded engines that make it the most advanced platform in its class. Equipped with 2 engines of 750 horsepower, PEG, each, the Akinci B unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, stayed in the air for an hour and 16 minutes after it took off from the training and test center of its developer, Baykar, in northwestern Tekirdağ-Torlu district. A total of 1,500 up makes it the world's most powerful and highest combat-capable unmanned combat aerial vehicle in its class. While 1350 plus of this is composed by payload, the Akinci B AAL UCAV model was developed by Bayraktar with local and national funds within the Akinci project and implemented under the leadership of the Presidency of the Defense Industry. Akinci B UAV is powered by 2 engines of 750 horsepower, or a total of 1,500 horsepower. It has a 20-meter, 65-foot wingspan with its unique twisted wing structure, and is equipped with fully automatic flight control and a triple redundant autopilot system. After Akinci B, an even more advanced model, Akinci C, equipped with 950 up each for a total of 1,900 up, will soon be in the skies.